Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39. I want to show you a couple of things I made using up some paper that I had in my stash. This vintage Valentine's Day is probably from about 2 years ago. It's a Recollections paper pad from Michaels. I have just really bits and pieces of it. After I got using it, I realized this really isn't my style. So I have a couple of sheets that I couldn't figure out what to do with. So anyhow, so that's what's left of that. And I know some people are looking saying, oh my gosh, you can make so many things with that paper. I'm done. And then Love and Devotion. I have some more of these. You know, sometimes I'll use this paper and cut these and cut this and use that. Other times I'm like, you know, I'm done. Of course, you can always use the back for stamping and things, but honestly, these were stuck in with something else. I guess I was going to do something with them, and it wasn't until I was done with the pad that I found it. But let me show you a couple of things I made with them. I made some mini albums. So this one I made using a shaker on the top. Love that. I think those little hearts inside were from Target a couple of years ago, and I glued some there and some there on the bottom. So I'm going to show you this mini album. So that's open, so you can stick a picture in there. And then about every other page has white on it with some embellishments. So that's good for a small photo, you know, the Instax photo, or a good spot for journaling. Those are stickers, so you still could journal or put something on there. There, sorry, they didn't show up. So cute. So, you know, I could see a girlfriend giving it to a boyfriend, or you could even use it for a baby girl. So that's open. You can stick a picture under there. It'd look really cute. And those are open, both on this one. It's open on the, it's open on the bottom. This one's open on the top. So put pictures. There's actually a lot of room. If you do those Instax photos, you can get a lot in here. I put a little pocket down there with just a little doodad. And that's that. Pretty simple, pretty cute. Pretty small too. 3.5 by 4.5. So cute. Let me show you another one I made. So these are, again, cute and simple. Try to sort of stick away from Valentines and just do love. This is held together with magnet. I actually used 3 magnets on here just so it's got some oomph to it. And this is an accordion fold. So you could either open it like this, and I did not embellish this one very much. I just kept it pretty simple. And then there's that. I guess that's Valentine-y. And then go like this. There's more. Or you could, you know, just open it like that. You know, there's a lot of real estate in here. You can get a lot of pictures in there. So anyhow, that closes like that. So satisfying to hear that closure. So there is that. And then I did another one. So most of this is from that Love and Devotion pad. This was a cut apart I had from another pad. It was in my stash. The hearts are embellishments. I got to use up a sheet of those. So this again has 3 magnets on it. And it's the same sort of thing. It opens. So this is open. So if you had a cute little photo here, that's open. I think I embellished this one a little bit more than the other one, but still didn't go crazy. That's open as well. And then this goes like that. Or you could just pull it apart. So, yeah, you can get a lot of photos in these kind of accordion ones, and they're very simple to make. I'm going to show you one more and then tell you all about mini album tutorials. Oh, I have another one besides this, but anyhow. So that's from the Love and Devotion. This is from that other paper pad. I had these embellishments. So this is a little different because I had put the binding on here. I mean, it's okay. And then this also has a pocket, so you can get even more in here. But this doesn't accordion like the other one. And it's more like that. So there's that. And I believe I have one more. Okay, and then this one I've had in my unfinished projects for a while. I'm really not sure why. The cover wasn't done, so I used some of the Valentine embellishments. It's a different paper pad, but it's the same design as the other one. Oh, I guess this was the first one I had made, and I wasn't really quite happy with it, but it's sort of cute, and you really can get a lot of photos in here. You know, this is Pocket Pages. So I'm just including it in the mini album. See, this is not perfectly straight, so I will work on that. And then this ties, and I hate tie things because I never can tie a bow. Well, that's not terrible. All right, so that's what we have. I made those mini albums using the Love and Devotion paper pad and this vintage Valentine's Day and a couple things from my stash. Thanks for watching.